Tina, and in this arpeggio tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play an A major arpeggio on the clarinet. We're going to start right here on A, so your thumb is down to the back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, A. Then there's a C sharp right here. Then there's an E, roll into the A. You're going to drop down to this C sharp right here in your right hand pinky on the bottom top key. It's better than using it here because then you have more fingers and your other hand to contend with. So it's better for our hands and our brains to keep everything together. So you have C sharp, E, and then A right there, like that. So you have A going down, E, C sharp, then throat tone A, E, C sharp right here with your little key, and then your A. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.